remove your rear seat cover or your seat and your main seat. And we're going to remove this upper fairing. This is a T4. Just these two screws here, and then two pop rivets in this part right here. Just pull out and slide it back. Comes right off. I'm also going to pull off these side panels. I'm not sure how I'm going to run my wiring yet. You're going to have like a pop rivet in the bottom, one in the middle, and one at the top. Comes right off. We have another T4 here, another T4 up here, and then another T4 right here. There's a pop rivet up here, just pull. Another one in the middle, pull, comes right off. All right, 5mm up here. Little pop rivet, then pull, push that in, pull it out. Another 5mm right here. This pushes forward. Unplug this module here. All right, so we're gonna pull this side off over here also, just to see if there's anything that we can do over here to hide. Wow, it's not done. This is like a lot of work trying to figure out where to run all this wiring, because it's, you know, it's a naked bike, so there's not like a lot of places to put it. But let me show you where I'm at. Pulled the gas tank up to try and get an idea of where I want to go. So this is how I'm going to run the power. So power's going to run from there. I'm going to tuck it, run it down next to the air box, and I move this out of the way and push the relay right there. So it's right there. So I push that down in there. It's in there tight, so it ain't going nowhere. So this goes right back. And then from there, I went ahead and put my grounds here for the HIDs. And then the rest of the wiring is actually running across there to the other side. I have the ballast zip tied right here to keep them from moving around. I have the metal to metal, not really sure if that matters or not. Now, they had these other little tiny boxes. They're up here. And so over here I got my two lines coming out for my right headlight. Here, got my two lines for my left headlight. And then also both these wires here, I use this built-in harness, or this clip here, to clip in these two wires here that are for the demon eyes, the high beam. And for now, I'm just going to go ahead and hook these into the regular headlights. I bent the tab so they kind of lock in. So I'm going to hook these up, and I'm going to stuff them right up underneath the windshield so they won't get wet at all. So we don't have to worry about that. For now, I'm going to zip tie that button right here, so that way I can reach over and turn it on and off. Just for now. So I zip tied it here and zip tied it there. My windshield kind of comes up so I can still see it. I'll give you guys a shot of that.